right now off. Man, I gotta say this. Oh, this ogbanje in the motherfucking black. I'm no your way. Gonna do this in my dream. And no one can like true. And boy, get you with it. It's Benji or find a way to get in Franklin Benjamin. You know what I'm saying, man? Hey, green. Oh yeah, motherfucking ogbanje come in my dream. I Jackson. I got him the goddamn man in my own dream, nigga. Why you doing that? Cause I'm telling you, this last one is enough of this motherfucking shit. Because you get so mad, man, you ain't gonna live for me. I'm gonna live for you, bitch. You understand? I'm gonna get what this man know you gonna let me go. You understand? Because you know I got him the motherfucking nigga. Imagine this motherfucker stupid ass ogbanje. Let me go. My man, even my Mattel, I was drinking my motherfucking Mattel. I was drinking a fucking Mattel. Ogbanje disappear anywhere. I'm gonna go through from the window on the door. I didn't give a fuck. Man, I trashed with my goddamn Mattel. This is the last one because I'm about to work with one good shit right now. Nigga, I ain't playing with you. They said, no, this shit. Allow me to live my life. And if I kill you, and somebody gonna die in the ogbe, I know say it's one of the ogbe. Ogbanje is doing that. You wanna see your motherfucking ogbanje got in the motherfucking dream, man. You gonna get mad in the dream. Gosh, man. Yeah. Listen to this. You know it, right? I don't wanna see you in my dream, ogbanje. God damn, what's all this? Nigga, be out of all this motherfucking shit. Somebody can't sleep in the night. Ogbanje, I got shit, nigga. I mean, what fucking shit? That's all I gotta say. Go die to you, ogbanje, cause you gonna die.